Hello everyone, this is Dhananjay Sharma and you are watching World Legal Help Organization. Whenever a criminal trial is initiated against a person, it is the duty of the court to ensure fair trial against that person. So in order to ensure a fair trial against that person, it is necessary that the accused must be present in the court and he must be given a fair chance of represent himself. So in order to compel the presence of the accused in the court has two options. First is to issue summons against that person. Second is to issue arrest warrant against that person. When a person is present after the summons are issued against that person, then there is no need to issue a warrant of arrest. But when a person does not present himself before the court even after a summons is issued against him, then in that case a warrant of arrest is issued against that person. Now, what is a warrant of arrest? The provisions from section 70 to 81 of the Criminal Procedure Code, that is CRPC, provides for warrant of arrest. A warrant of arrest is a written order issued and signed by the magistrate and addressed to a police officer or any other person specially authorized under it to arrest the body of the accused. So a warrant of arrest is an order authorizing a police officer to arrest a person and to produce before the court. Warrants are of two types, that is bailable and non-bailable. When a warrant contains a direction that the person so arrested shall be released after executing a bail bond and after giving security that he will be present in the court whenever his attendance will be required in the court. In that case, such warrant with such a direction is called a bailable warrant. In a bailable warrant, the police officer has the authority to release a person, to release an accused after executing a bail bond and after taking security that he will be present in the court whenever his attendance will be required in the court. To its opposite is the non-bailable warrant. In a non-bailable warrant, the police officer does not have the authority to release a person after executing bail bond. In a non-bailable warrant, the court only has the power to grant a bail to a person. It is the sole power and discretion of the court to grant bail to an accused in case of a non-bailable warrant. Now, according to section 70 of the Criminal Procedure Code, a warrant remains in force until it has been executed or it has been cancelled by the court which has issued it. According to this section only, the court has the power and discretion to convert a non-bailable warrant into a bailable warrant. So that was all with regard to arrest warrant. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.